Want to get rid of one of your Instagram followers, but not sure how? We're here to help. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to remove Instagram followers. Now let's get started. To remove a follower on Instagram, open the Instagram app and go to your profile. Tap Followers. Now scroll through your list of followers until you see one you want to remove, or search for their username with the search bar at the top. When you find the user you want to remove from your followers list, tap the X to the right of their username. Then tap Remove. The user you've selected will then be removed from your list of followers, and they'll no longer be following your account. They will not be notified that you've removed them and will not be blocked, so they could follow you again in the future if they want to. If you have a private Instagram account, removing someone as a follower will stop them from being able to see your posts or stories. They'll need to request to follow you again and be approved by you in order to be able to view your posts. Repeat these steps to remove any other users you don't want following you anymore. That's all it takes to remove followers on Instagram. To learn more about using Instagram, check out our beginner's guide next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.